Hey guys, it's me again. I have no idea what I'm doing. But you know, whatever. Yeah, why not? So today we're going to be playing Birds of Steel. Now this is the demo, but we're not going to do any of the demo stuff. We're just going to go up, I guess. Kill ourselves, pretty much.
That's wrong.
Crash and stuff. Here I am.
That's gonna fix the plane.
Yeah, I'm playing.
Yep, that's a better camera angle.
I'm small.
That's what she said.
I have no idea what to do.
I forget the controls, so.
Holy crap, I did it.
I gotta move my arm.
Hey, droid. I have apparently an RC plane. Go up, you idiot. Thank you. Or nothing.
These graphics though, they're 10 out of 10.
Yep. That's some real graphics next gen right there.
Next gen stuff right
Is this
there.
all I get to do? Just watch a cutscene? Yes! Testament controls on the ground. I don't know how. Hell, start. Thanks for nothing.
Space!
Now I get to what am I doing? I'm just gonna. Oh. Look,
You're twerking.
I'm twerking.
Yep,
Best game sound.
it's the plane.
I have no idea what I did, but I did it.
Just start pressing random buttons.
Oh, there we go.
You did it! Yay!
I can twerk and move my hands at the same time.
That's called talent.
Ow. Text that's at the bottom. Wait, what? Crap, I didn't get to see it.
I didn't either. I
Oh,
got.
okay, there we go.
No.
Even better.
This is how.
Take off. How do we take off?
That's how fish twerk. I think it's the X button. Is it the? There it is.
Yeah, 100%.
More power!
Whoa!
Yay!
Oh god, let's trip you.
The trips is real.
Oh god, no.
Dun,
Okay,
dun,
so
dun,
here
dun,
we go.
dun.
This is where the video starts.
Gotta raise the flaps and gears.
So, as you see, I have no idea what I'm doing. I am in this blind.
You did it. Gotta use the elevator.
That's way too hard. Oh, I gotta go to that yellow thing. On the map. Oh, there it is. I know it's around here somewhere.
Go plane.
Loop-de-loop.
Yay!
Well, that's weird.
Oh, huh.
Yeah, we did it. We did it. Did the one that's crashed in the water?
Guess not. No, I need to.
Okay, now here comes the messing around. So, okay, never mind.
Cutscenes.
Screw you, cutscene. We're not gonna do any of this crap. We're just gonna crash. I don't care. I've already done that crap. Look, watch. Yay! That's so hard.
Whee!
Okay, so now we're gonna crash into stuff. I'm gonna make a land. Oh.
Denied.
What was the point of that?
No,
See,
no,
look,
no,
I can do
no,
that
no,
too. Oh, it doesn't even. Oh, there it goes.
I thought you just went through the ground.
I thought I did too. I was like, oh. Look out. There it goes. Aha, there's my airplane base. This is McDonald's right here. They didn't give me extra fries whenever I asked for it, so we're gonna get a little bit of a payback.
So it's gonna go. I
I told you, idiots. I want extra fries.
Yay!
It looks like a nuke went off.
Ta-da!
I got a feeling no one's gonna eat there anymore.
Do you think they learned their lesson?
Oh, right to engage boost.
Nah.
Oh, dude, now we can go even faster.
That's so cool.
I'm not even gonna do the rest of the cutscenes.
The cutscene startled me.
YOLO!
La 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 la.
Wait, there. Wait, what?
Ta-da!
Be like that then. Okay, now we're gonna go full throttle into the trees. See what happens.
See if we can land it just like Jurassic Park.
Dun 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 dun.
Nope.
Holy crap!
Well, that time it worked.
Well, now we just created a forest fire. Great. Nailed it. I'm gonna go full throttle into the water.
I think you just blow up.
This. Okay, I drowned and exploded.
Okay.
That's normal. No, I'm not going there.
It's Amelia Earhart.
Dun 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 dun. That's right. It goes dun 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 dun. Okay, so screw that. I'm not going to that. There's my fire. Is that the building I blew up? Was that
Probably.
McDonald's?
Maybe.
Well, there's plenty of McDonald's in the world, so I'm gonna go blow up some other ones.
It's McDolan's.
I'm gonna run straight into the fire. See if I can hit another building.
Okay. Hey, there's boats. You can dive on one of them. Come on, cousin. La, 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 la.
Look, there's a McDonald's right next door. This is what you get. I haven't been to you yet, but this is what you get. Aw, crap.
Well, nailed it.
Well, I killed some civilians, but you know what? That's normal. That's normal.
We'll see what happens if you dive bomb them portable Burger Kings in the water.
Come on, cousin. I went through the roof, and then I just randomly blew up.
You raised the roof.
Let's blow up. Oh, there's some really close buildings. Let's see if I can blow up all of them with one crash.
We're gonna play dominoes. This is how you play dominoes,
play
kids.
dominoes.
Nope.
Wait, is that a concentration camp?
Maybe, I don't know.
I don't know what that is down there, but I'm gonna crash into it.
I don't know what it is, but let's go wreck it. I'm gonna wreck it. Wah,
Wreck cylinder.
Wah, wah, wah,
This is how the last Star Wars episode went.
wah, 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 wah.
Get kamikaze! I just blew up some kids' school, but that's good.
Ta-da.
No one needs school anyway.
No one needs an education.
Kamikaze! I remember this game is, I don't even want to know anymore.
It's free.
Yeah, it's free, that's all you need to know. So you can just download it on your PlayStation and then go, kamikaze! Go.
Then again, this is just the demo, so yeah.
That's why it's free. But
Also,
still,
I have a very special guest today, but you'll meet him once this video is over.
oh god. Oh god, that was way too big.
Michael Bay.
Now this is how you become a Michael Bay, kids. Kamikaze! Backwards!
Bruce Lee.
Bruce Lee. You try to do a freaking loop-de-loop, and then just dive bomb into the ground. I don't even care where it is. It's just keep doing this until you land face first into the ground. I mean, you can do this without air.
The camera fell. Not really, it's still here. But it did go upward because I had to scratch my nose.
Michael Bay.
Ah!
There's my plane, by the way. I can super glue it and put some duct tape on it. It'll be fine.
Yeah. It's at 9:21.
Oh, that was fast.
So guys, looks like this video is coming to an end. I'm gonna go bring out the special guest.
I
Promised. Just like I promised.
It's a stick.
Here's Bob, he's our special guest. He's Bob the Anorexic Terrorist. Watch this. La 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 la.
Ow.
Yep. Get wrecked by a stick. Blah. Like, comment, and subscribe for Bob. If you want to see more Bob, then like this video right now. If you want to see more of this game, feel free to do whatever you want to that mouse. Okay, bye.